Yo. What up? What up? Of course, of course. Fuck today, man. Fuck today. I'm over today, bro. I'm over today. I should be in a good mood too. I should be in a good mood, and I'm not. NJ, HID, Marcine, Tactical, V33, Ronnie, Rick, Eric, J Stores, Traders Each, Day Trader Cut, Bowser, Sean, Renee from John J, Building Impossible Dreams. What's up, Vero? JP, Eric J, Dave, Canute, J Min. Yeah, I'm killing it, all right. I'm killing it, all right. Killing a bunch of evals, that's for fucking sure. Like, I got a little impulsive and it cost me a bunch of accounts, which sucks. Really sucks, but here is what up, Pepe? Storm, hey, Storm Horse, what up? What up? Yeah, I don't know. Look at all these evals I blew. One of these, a couple of these, my take profits got hit after the fact. These are my three funded accounts I requested my payout on last week. And I'm annoyed because I just got filled in an NQ short and I didn't want to be in this shit. I meant it to be fucking gold. And look, it's fucking dropped. Look at it. It dropped. It was a great short. Look, from the 786. It's already down how many points? 15, 16 points. But I don't want to fucking trade my funded accounts with the NQ. By the way, those are the funded accounts. Those are the funded accounts I requested payouts on Friday. Here's what happened. Woke up this morning. They were all approved. So we got approved. Requested Friday, got approved on Monday. Maybe I'll have the money by the end of the week. If not, I'll have it on next week. So, and I got that payout from Lucid, obviously, instantly. Ron. So, Apex doesn't pay their traders. So if you do the math here, that's 4603. I got 3,500 from Lucid this month. I got 3,000 from bulenox this month, and I got 889 from TradeDay. $11,992 this month. And then the last 2 weeks of October, I got 14,088. 26 grand in less than 6 weeks. And I'm clinched for 3,000 with bulenox, and I'm going to request on tomorrow. $29,000 in less than 6 weeks. Not bad. However, let's see what's going on here. Is NQ fucking dumping? Look at that. It dropped fucking how many points? I got in at 48.50. It went down. I could have had 18 points. Oh, well. What else is new? I'm probably going to just call it a day with these three. Day one. Day one after getting paid. Got it in the books, right? I still got to grow the account. My goal is to take it to max payout land. So I want to go to 4,100. One is $10 shorter than the others, which is weird and annoying, but I just need $1,873 more dollars. How hard can it be? I'll tell you one thing. If I fall a little short of that goal and I am eligible to request a payout and I just have to get my flip days in, I will just get my flip days in and take another payout. Tired of fucking playing games. Marcin, Capital Games, Roger Adams. Apex doesn't pay their traders. Robert Gallis, what up? But the Lucid account, let me show you where my Lucid account was. Let me find it. The funded Lucid account that I got my third payout on. I'm just looking for it. Wow, that shit just popped right back up. I mean, the NQ's up over 600 points today. So, but look where it kind of rejected. Here's the last high before we fucking plummeted last week. Here's the low, and then look, we're approaching the 786, which is just it's at 25,012. That's the NQ right now. This is on a bigger time frame too. So it's interesting to see if it goes there. Gold was also approaching the 786 and it blew right through it. Unfortunately, you know. I'm looking for something. I'm looking for something. I'm looking for something. Where the fuck is it? I wanted to show you guys something. Yeah, my whole fucking trading, well, whatever. Here it is. The account's blown. The account's fucking blown. This is the account I got paid $4,652 total on. And then these were evals. I blew those too. They only had like $500 of drawdown. They're gone. But this really fucking sucks because, you know, I wanted to get a fourth payout from it. This is the first time I've ever taken the same account that requires multiple days between payouts to a third payout. What's crazy is I was up $181 and didn't stop. I was more annoyed about the fact that I didn't hold it, and then sure enough, my take profit got hit. Then I was down $1,000. Then I was only down $4. I caught some crazy fucking move. I caught a crazy long. I got filled. I wasn't even paying. I wasn't even in the room when I got filled on these orders. I had weighed down at a 786. Got filled on one of them, and I got all the money I was down back. And then this happened today. Gold just kept going up. I kept fucking it up. I kept going against it, and it was gone. So I'm fucking pissed. I'm fucking pissed. I hate myself because I could have just stopped at 181, or I could have just stopped when I got back to -4 after giving all that back and being down 1,000. But no. And then bulenox, another fucking case. You see this? It's okay because I had my daily loss limit set to 250. It doesn't matter. I can still get paid even if I lose that tomorrow too. But I'm annoyed about this as well because the first trade I took, I let myself get shaken out for like a $40 fucking gain. Oh, $30 gain. And then it fucking kept going down and my take profit got hit. So again, it was all about execution for me. But this is day 9. This is the second red day I've had on these accounts since I fucking got them in October. And both times I had a red day, it was on the 9th day, which was just a flip day. So it doesn't matter. My balance is that I'm still $2,000 over max payout land, and I just got to get one more day in. I got the fucking daily loss limit lock set in place. So no matter what happens, I'm requesting another 3,000 at the end of the day tomorrow from bulenox. Obviously, I want to have a green day because last time I did that, I had a green day. I got all this back and then some. Excuse me, but I don't know. I'm just fucking annoyed. And that's how my shit started. Poor execution. And then it's okay because take profit trader, I push this fucker over. I'm right at 3,000 in profits. All I got to do is win a couple of flips over the next 3 trading days. These are all on day 4. So I will have 5 funded take profit trader accounts by, well, I'll have 4 by Wednesday, and I'll have the 5th one by Monday. So we're looking really good there. Just so you know, Take Profit Trader has changed their promotion. Their new promotion, I got to update my shit, is 30% off with no activation fee and 100% of your test fee refunded to you, your initial test fee, which is cool because you don't have to pay, you'll get all of your money back. You get your initial test fee refunded to you. What is it, after you get your first payout or some shit? Is that how the promotion works? You get your first payout and then you get your test fee refunded to you. Hopefully they'll do a better percentage when Black Friday rolls around, but that's what it is right now. Oh, that is their Black Friday sale. So you get your first payout. So 30% off, no activation fee. And then if you take that account to a payout, you'll get your initial, even if you take it for a $50 withdrawal, you'll get your initial test fee refunded to you. So that's the promotion. Use the best code ZERODAYJAY. Here's where my trade day account's at. My trade day account was up a lot more. I actually made too much money. I did the math wrong. So I had to lose money on purpose. So I might lose more. I was trying to lose money with ZB and it wouldn't let me yesterday. Let me see if I can lose money with ZB today. The only issue is this shit was at what? I was up like $1,200. I was up over $1,200. And if I left it like that, let's see if I can find it. Yeah, see, just got way too much. I was at 1,224. If I would have left it like that with the 30% consistency rule, oh shit, on evals, I just got filled in something. What did I get filled in? What the fuck? Why did only 2 account? What the fuck is going on? Oh my God. Look, I'm getting fucked. Why did only 2? Yo, that's fucked up. Let me put a stop here so I don't get completely fucked. What the fuck is going on? Yo, how did only 2 of my 3 accounts get filled? I heard that shit. Good thing I had my volume on. I'm going to get fucked here. I already feel it. I already feel the fucking bullshit, bro. $4.99. I already know I'm going to get fucked. Dude, what the fuck? That's fucked up. Why is Tradeday fucking up like that? If I have a group with 3 accounts in it and the order's in, why would only 1 get filled? Why would only 2 get filled? Why is there only orders for 2 accounts? So fucking stupid. Oh my God, I can't even lock in gains. I'm locking that in. We go to 498. So stupid. So fucking stupid. Oh. Yeah. Great. Now there's a discrepancy, of course. The last time I tried to fucking make up for a discrepancy, it went horribly wrong. So let's try again. So fucking annoyed. I'm so fucking annoyed. Look, I'm gonna get fucked. I already feel the fucking coming. This is how my day's gone. Just weird shit like that. Miss Goody. Yo, who's that? SA, what up? Just ain't right. Wow. Desmond. Of course, I told you guys I was gonna get fucked. I told you. It never fails. Why do I do it though? Why do I do it? It never fucking fails. Nail, what's up? Cut. Tim Morgan. Corey. Coach Singh. Alfred, what up? Jessica. Your trade day, you got your trade day funded over. You can request what is it, a 50K? Yeah, you could request 963. Great job, by the way. Mixed Sounds, what up? Do I think gold can go to 4,500? I think gold can go to 5,000. I just don't know when. Maybe by the end of the year. I don't know. It has to get over. I mean, if we look here, I mean, it's got a long ways to go. But it's as you can see, it's already up 43 points today alone. What's NQ doing? Wow. Damn, NQ fucking 892. That shit went up like 80 fucking points from that low. Come on, fucker. Just drop it a little bit. Technical, what's good? Yeah, Jessica, you can request 963 bucks. Alexi, what up? I gotta fucking update this fucking take profit trader shit. Fuck. Rick, you wish the refund was on passing? Yeah, I know. That'd be great. That's too easy. Maximus, what up? Sean. Maximus, thanks for reaching out and letting me know about that fucking shit, by the way. Thanks for the heads up. Timothy Chapo. I'll hit this take profit, you fuck. What's the spread on gold? 3 ticks? 3 or 4 ticks? Come on, hit that shit. Come on. Bless me. So my accounts are the same balance. Thank you. Thank you, you fuck. Fucking piece of shit. Anyway, GA, what up? AS. Carlos, what up? No, it's not a great. Carlos, it's not. You know when it was great? When they did it last year and it was like 40% off or 50% off. It was amazing. I'd rather 40% off with no activation fee, personally. But that's none of my business. Marcine. I have a feeling they're going to change it to make it better. When they realize they're going to see the numbers and they're going to be like, I guess it's not as good as we thought it was going to be. And they're going to make it better. They're going to sweeten the pot. Just give it a couple of days. Ron. I love, hey, Ron, I'm happy for you, bro. Bowser, yeah. I mean, if anything, you could reset blown accounts or let the subscriptions rebuild. Bowser, no activation fee. No activation fee. It's 30% off with no activation fee and 100% of your initial test fee refunded after your first payout. But bro, aren't you loaded up with take profit trader accounts anyway? Perry Dollar to make them holla. Yeah, no activation fee, bro. All right, well, I'm good with that. I'm good with that. To be honest with you, I'll take that. Let me make sure I don't have any open fucking orders. I think it goes lower. I mean, we hit the 786 here, but you never know, especially with what gold's done today. The range on gold is like 900 ticks. It was low, and then all of a sudden it did. Look at that. This is where I was trading the Lucid account. Here. Fucking crazy. No open orders. Exit all, cancel all. Huh! I guess no faders. They only fade me when they only magically fade me when I lose trades. I just won fucking 2 trades in a row. I only get faded magically when I lose a trade. Isn't that funny? Isn't that funny how that happens? It's only when I lose that I was faded. Fade my $12,000 worth of fucking payouts. How about that? Fade my 29 grand worth of payouts in less than 6 weeks. Stock, cards, and bets. Bro, it's good forever. As long as you have the account. One Stop Trader, what up? Hell yeah. Fucking stack the fucking payouts. Nayo. White trash granny. Oh, you know who I'm not even talking about. I'm talking about, my Stan, my biggest fan. Hotshot, what up? Cold in your dad's basement. And you were yelling up to your mom for some more meatloaf. I just don't like this price action. I have these 3 funded accounts also I haven't touched yet. I might not touch them. These are brand new. I activated them today. By the way, allegedly, the Apex 80% off with the $40 lifetime activation fee is ending tonight. Let me go to their website. Did they extend it? 8 hours and 38 minutes. They might extend it. I'm curious what they're going to do for Black Friday. I'm really curious. But if you're just tuning in, those payouts I requested on Friday were approved. Apex doesn't pay their traders. Apex doesn't pay their traders. And I got my first day in on all 3 of these accounts, about $224 each. Well, $224, $234, and $244. Go figure. 99% off. Oh, my funded. Yeah, my funded futures pays fast as fuck, man. That's actually slow for them. Corey. Nice job. Did I hear the news from Top Step? Yeah, I heard about that with the no activation fee. But there's some weird wording about those accounts. It seems like however much you run those accounts up, you basically, I'm going to call, because, there's people that would get to get to 10,000, there's people that like to max them out, get those $5,000 payouts, right? So you got to grow it to 10,000. So they'll do it on the first or second day, and then they'll coast the rest of the way, get those $150 days in. Now, the way I read it, you're going to be hit with what I'm going to refer to it as a self-inflicted buffer. It's dynamic. So if you do shit like that, the second payout, you can't request unless you're over that previous amount that you had before you requested. That sucks. Am I making sense when I say that? You guys know what I'm talking about, right? Let me find it, because everybody kept posting it in the Discord. In the best community. Great Dane. What up? Bobby Digital. What are the best prop deals so far this week? Trade day is 30% off with no activation fee. So is Take Profit Trader. They used to be 40, but they also added that wrinkle. If you get a payout with that account, you get 100% of your test fee refunded to you. Apex is 80% off with $40 lifetime activation fees ending tonight. Bulenox is 85% off. Deal ends at the end of the month. 85% off option 1 and option 2. Lucid is 40% off 25K and 50Ks, I think, with an extra 5% off for new users and 30% off everything else, including that extra 5% off for new users. Oh, you have to be above the amount after the 50% is paid to you? Yeah, so you used to, well, that's another thing. As long as you got your $150 day in 5 days in a row on that second payout, you could request 50% of what your total balance was. So you could still get a nice payout. Now you're going to have to grow it back up. I don't know. It just seems like a self-inflicted buffer. I'm not impressed. It's not going to make me go and fucking beg them to let me have my Focus Trader program account. It's so funny. They put me in that shit, and I've done over I'm at $66,000 in fucking payouts since. Whatever your balance is, yeah. Is there a minimum balance? Is there a minimum amount that you could withdraw? What's the minimum you could withdraw? Yeah. Well, I mean, I don't know. We all know the numbers, right? If you get that first payout, what's the odds of you getting a second one? I know a lot of us are good traders, but I know what my odds are. They weren't great. Alex Rifkin. Also, what up, Bald Eagle Trader? Also, there was also fine print saying this is for traders who are dialed in. So what does that mean? How many times are you going to be allowed to fucking get an XFA and blow it before they fucking put you in the Focus Trader program? Seems like a lot less times that way than the other way. This is for more dialed in traders. We'll see how it plays out. Coral Sky, what up? Coach Singh. Pie Trades, what up? Yeah. Raising prices, dropping activation fees, and making it harder for you to max out your payouts every week, every 5 days. I'm not, it's cool. It's great. I'm not real overly impressed. If you trade with Top Step, you might like it. You better be dialed in, though, because if you fuck up a few times, they might put you in the Focus Trader program where you got to beg support for a free account. For your one account, you're allowed to trade. Apex has not dropped the Black Friday deal yet. Pie Trades. Kevin Tobias, what up? Why, gold popped? Yeah, I'm glad I just got out. I lucked the fuck out on that. Yeah, gold's starting to look like a freight train. Robin. Yeah, I know My Fund the Futures has 20% off 20% off the pro accounts. And if you want to try to pass it in one day, you could get the free add-on. The add-on. If you use code ZERODAYJAY, you'll actually get a fucking discount. on the pro accounts. It's good for 5 uses. 20% off the pro accounts with the best code ZERODAYJAY. Wow, look at that shit go. Gold, man. That shit just went up 100 something ticks. Bowser, I know, bro. I know. The max payout on a Lucid 150K is 2K? Is it really? Yeah, but that's the first payout, hotshot. Let's see. That's the first payout. It's not the same the second time through unless you grow it a fuck ton more. You'll have to grow it. You'll basically have, let's say you get that $5,000 payout the first time through with Top Step. You're going to have to grow the account another 10,000 to get 5,000 again from where you're at. Does that make sense? And on the 150K, the 150K payouts 1 and 2 is 3,000, payouts 3 and 4 is 3,500, and payouts 5 and 6 is 4,000. And then they push you to live. Like, you don't have to fucking keep growing these accounts a fuck ton to get this money. Yeah, no, I get it, hotshot. I still like Lucid more. I can tell you one thing. If I fucking blow a bunch of funded accounts with Lucid, they're not going to fucking tell me how to spend my fucking money and say, focus trader program. I don't need anyone telling me how to spend my fucking money. They do and they don't. If you want to get hotshot, so let's say all right, with Lucid, I don't even know. I don't even fuck with the 150Ks. What's the fucking buffer? The buffer on a Lucid, right, is 4,600. So to get 3,000 on the first payout or first 2 payouts, you need to get to 157,600. That gets you your 3,000. After the first payout, it kind of balances out. If you want to get the same 3,000 with Top Step the first time, I don't know. I still don't. I don't know. I just don't like Top Step anymore. I don't fucking trade with a firm that tells me how to spend my money. I don't give a fuck how good of a deal. I don't give a fuck if they're giving accounts away for free. They basically told me that my money's no good with them anymore. And that was after having me on their fucking show 10 times for fucking, like, seemed like every fucking week. They were on my fucking junk, and all of a sudden I wasn't invited back, and then I got put in the Focus Trader program. I'm good on them. God bless. Hey, if you like them more, go trade with them. I don't care. I like Lucid more. Yeah, so I don't need anyone telling me how. No one tells me how to spend my own fucking money. Anyway, especially a fucking prop firm that encourages degenerate behavior. Wow, Eric J. Wow, he's actually up money today. What about the house account? Lucid's payout rules. Hold on a second. I'm going to post it in here. Timothy Chop, I'll post it in the chat. You could get the same, now that fucking, a lot of the My Funded Futures plans are the same, but cheaper. than what Top Step's offering. Especially now that they have like those add-ons for max payouts and all this weird shit. Payouts. Timothy Chop, I'm going to drop it in the chat. Everything you need to know about payouts with Lucid on the Pro is here. These are the ones where you pass an eval. That's the link for when you pass an eval. And here's the link if you're going straight to funded. Where are they? Here's the rules if you're going straight to funded. Big tick. Alfred, not even her. Coach HID. Coach HID is literally milking them right now. I love it, bro. Bitcoin's moving. So is Santa Coin. Look at the way this shit's moving around. This is the NQ. I can't fuck with this shit. I can't fuck with any of this shit. I just don't want to. I mean, I'm going to take more trades. I'm just waiting. I just don't know what to do if I want to trade these funded accounts. These are the two I just activated. Let me put them in a group at least. New group. Fib. Defibbing. Fib these nuts. There we go. That's better. Fib these nuts. That is for 503 and 504. Cool. What's in this group? Fibtastic. All right. The group, that's so weird. Sean. What's the max payout on a 50K Lucid? It starts at 1,500, I think. It scales. It goes on a graduating scale. The first two is 1,500. The second two are 2,000, and the third two are 2,500, I think. Something along those lines. I just posted a link in the chat. Chat, okay, chat? I put 2 links in there. Dakota. Well, I'm not discounting if he's a good trader or not. I just don't like when he fucking talks shit. Like he's the fucking, like he never, like all that shit he talked about simfluencers. I know he was basically told to say that by Paytech. We all know he's a company man and he does what he's told. But talking all this shit about sim traders or simfluencers, like, bro, that's who you were. That's what you are. And you hide your fucking balances now. You hide your fucking balance. No one even knows if you're up or down in your fucking account now. For your protection. For our protection and your privacy. Everyone over there. I don't understand that. I still don't understand that. What are we doing here? We going down now? Nate. It pays for some accounts. Yeah, Rick. Yo, Timothy Chapo, literally instant payouts. Look at this shit. Look at the timestamp on this shit. And it was in my bank account. Oh, yeah. Oh, hold on. Look at this shit. Where's my Lucid shit? Where's my Lucid shit? Look at this. Hold on. Let me do it this way. Because my head might be in the way. Literally, all within the same minute. 520. I think I requested at 524. 525, it was approved and sent out. And it was in my bank account. Right in the bank account already. Instantly, bro. Amazing. They pay faster than my fund of futures if you think about it, because with my fund of futures, it goes to your Rise account, and then you have to withdraw from Rise. So Lucid is the fastest. Lucid pays the fastest if you're in the US. I think it takes a little longer if you're international. F Trades, what up? Payment sent. You got the payment sent on 11/13 and you're still waiting for it? How many days is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It should be any day now, right? It should be any day now because it says 3 to 7 business days after that. They updated to 11. Are you serious? Up or down to the murder bot? I don't know. It's coming, though. It's going to come. You think it would go down, right? I don't know. I don't know. 1582. Up to 11 days. Oh, man. There was a stretch. There was a stretch of time when you were getting paid, like you would get approved and you would get the money like in a day or two. That didn't last very long, though. I think this is going to go up. I don't know. We're about to find out, though. So yeah, this is why I don't. This is why I fucking hate trading the NQ during power hour. I was wrong as fuck. Maybe it comes down here. It's funny. It's like if it comes down here, I could have just went short. I don't trust this shit though. Look. Yeah, I don't trust any of this shit. Like, it's just tough. I mean, they do have the advantage because you could have as many as 20 accounts. Like, they just paid a dude $900-something thousand, right? But man, 11 days when I could fucking trade with Lucid and get paid instantly, or take profit, trade, or get paid the next morning. You know what I mean? Yeah, I mean, F trades. I mean, the secret to that is just don't violate the rule. You know, if you feel like you're getting close, that's where you put your stop. If you feel like you're getting close and you still believe in the move, put your stop there before you violate it, and then have an order right below it to get back in. You know what I mean? Unless you get fucking bottom ticked or top ticked. But I'm not complaining. I've gotten a lot of payouts from them. These are my first payouts since fucking September 17th, though. So many fumbled bags. But before then and after that. But, you know, it's just par for the course. Am I buying any top set accounts? Absolutely fucking not. Perry Dollar. Yeah, me too. I didn't trade that good today either. I traded decent. I traded okay last night. Big tick. Hey, bro, but you know, I know, man, that sucks. You're getting paid elsewhere, though. I already am coach. I could call myself a coach. Slick Rick, the ruler. On evals, 30% consistency rule. Which one did you get? Did you get the intraday or end of day? I never stopped with trading my fund of futures. I just don't have any accounts right now. I had a bunch of funded core accounts and I blew them all. So I'm just waiting for the next good deal or some rebuilds to come through. Motherfucker, man. You got a 150K end of day? Yeah, 30% consistency rule is all you really got to worry about. And when you get over the profit target, like if you get to that point and you just have to flip a couple of days, it's 5 days, right? But if you're already over and you just need to flip for a day or two. Well, really, it's the 5th day because it's no longer 7 days. So the last day, don't do a quick in and out. Basically, trade to not lose money. Damn, look at that shit go. I guess I was right about it going higher. Is it there yet? What's gold doing? That shit bounced how many fucking points? 50 points. The 53-minute candle. Also, another thing with them. Do you have a Rise account yet? If you don't, make your Rise account email address the same as whatever you use to sign up for trade day. Pie trades, neither. If you're in the US, it's direct deposit to your bank account instantly through Plaid. If you're international, I think it's called the fuck is it called? Something works. Work something. It wants it. It wants it. Here's the 55. The 53-minute candle was better than all the other candles so far. Oh, it's called Plaid for US-based traders, work market by ADP for international traders, and crypto is coming soon, allegedly. Once again, that could be found on this page. Right here. In the chat. They don't pay with Rise. Lucid does not, will. Trade Day does. No, it's a fine. I mean, it's owned by ADP. It can't be that bad. ADP is a bigger company than RiseWorks. ADP is fucking massive, actually. I mean, they did $19 billion in 2024 in revenue. You know what's interesting? Look where it rejected off of. This fucking October, it rejected off the low the original spot where the October 7th dump bounced. That became resistance in this case. Funny. Damn. Damn, son. Hold on a sec. I got to go get more coffee. So in case I get filled, which I don't know if I will, is it treating this as the fucking low? If that's the case, look, it bounced right off the 786 on the shorter time frame fib. Or, well, we'll see what happens. I'll be right back. I got to get more coffee. Nick Trades, what up? Will, well, I know the ones that I trade with pretty good. I know the ones I trade with pretty good. And then there's so many others I don't know much about. But that's what the chat is for, right, chat? You see, chat? For how long are your trades for? On flip days, capital gains, you could literally round trip in and out if you want to do it that way. I flip to win. So I look for a spot, but I only do it with one micro. And I fucking have my stop loss and my take profit. Yeah, Bowser, ADP's massive, huge company. No problem, capital gains. With trade day though, if you got to do a flip day on, if you're already over the target for an eval and you need to do a flip day, that you want to trade not to lose. You want to trade, or you can lose, like depending on how much you're over. Just don't do a quick round trip. Oh, which reminds me, I forgot all about this. Yeah, I can't trade ZB on it anymore with trade day. That's fucked up. Couldn't last night either. Look at all these rejected trades. I used to be able to trade with ZB. ZB is the easy way to lose money on purpose. It's $35 per round trip per contract. Oh, shit. I almost got filled. I'll be right back. Keep an eye on my shit. Did I get filled? Oh, boo. Boo. DAAA, what up? Legends doesn't offer tradeday. What do they offer? What can you trade? What can you use on Legends? What's gold doing? I bet gold still moves before the end of the day. I just don't know which way it wants to go. They do? I never really heard anything bad about them. It's going down like a like whose sister? Bruh. Damn. Couldn't it come down a little bit more to fill me? Are you using Trading View? What about Trade of 8? What's gold doing? Just cucking around here. Tomorrow's going to be a crazy day. Tomorrow we got PPI at 8:30 in the morning. You got German final GDP an hour before your London opens. That could do something. What the fuck is HPI? I'm not logged in. Pending home sales. Then Wednesday we have unemployment claims. Thursday. What's going on with the market? Is the market open on Thursday? What time does the market close on Thanksgiving? Is it a half a day on Thursday and Friday? What time though? What time in Eastern time does the shit close? 1 p.m. Eastern. Okay, thank you. 1 p.m. Eastern. Thursday and Friday. Thanksgiving and Black Friday. Appreciate that. Capital gains. You got a request to clear out. Is it a 30%? If it's an improper risk management violation, you got to request when you're eligible to request to clear out that violation. It's the only way to. You got to request and get denied to clear that shit out. What's the best buy account firm now? iTrades? I don't know. Improper. Damn. How many ticks is this? 329. That's a lot. It's like a 50 tick range. $58 tick range. Take notes, Marvel. How I trade the fibs? I draw them all day. I pick a low and a high where it makes sense to, and I look for bounces or rejections at the 707 or the 786. If you want to see my settings for the fib on Tradeday, here's a screenshot. I'll post it in the chat. I'll post it in the Discord. The thing you'll run into with the fibs is it might not be where you think it's going to be. Like this is the low or the high, but if this isn't it, you got to expand it to the next, like for a bounce, you got to expand to the next low. And if that's not it, you got to find the next low. And the same thing with the highs if you're going to go for a reversal. You see how it changes? Let me post this in the chat. Okay, chat? Thanks, chat. That's on Tradeday. And then on TradingView, there's also the shorter time frames and the larger time frames. On the larger time frames, expect there to be, it's not going to always be right on it. It won't always be right on it, but expect if it's on a larger time frame, there's going to be a lot more, the range before it rejects or bounces will be larger if it does at all. So have your stops in place and all that shit. Size the orders accordingly. Oh, I got to open a new fucking. Ooh, I forgot about this. Here's my settings for TradingView. And these aren't mine, like I made these myself. You know what I mean? So if you're not in the Discord, I mean, you could look at it right here real quick. Take a screenshot on the screen. But if you're in the Discord, you could get it, join and get in there. Here's the link to the Discord. The best fucking community on these prop firm streets. The best, hands down. Here's the link to that. What up, P? Adam B, what up? Wonder if this is a troll account. Probably. No offense. Lance, what up? Yeah, I guess. Not really. But I'm still locked in for another 3,000 from bulenox after tomorrow. Jake, what's good? Thank you. F4. Johnny. I hope that helped you take notes, Marvel. Payout to payout. Fuck yeah, it is. Money's money. Money's money. The market is open on Wednesday. I think Wednesday's a full day. Wednesday's a full, oh, it's Cormino Code. What up? Wednesday's a full day. And Thursday and Friday are half days. The market closes at 1 p.m. Eastern. All right, cool, Marvel. I'm waiting for gold to do something cool so I can trade these funded accounts. If not, they're not getting touched. Yeah, I don't like half days either. Although it's probably going to help me because I'm pretty sure I'm going to be moving. I'm going to be moving into the house. I'm going to start bringing shit over Thursday. It's going to be like a fucking 4-day process. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. You trying to line up these December? Yeah. I mean, that's the name of the game. Me too. The only way I could get any more payouts in November is if these 4 take profit trader accounts that are on day 4 right now, I'll get these on Wednesday. If I'm able, I mean, it's asking a lot. It's asking a lot to get the fucking 150Ks over the buffer in 2 days. But maybe I could do the 50K. I don't know. The only way I'm going to get a payout from anywhere else before the month ends is from these 4 accounts. The bulenox accounts, I need 1 more day. No matter what, red or not, I'm going to request after Tuesday. I won't get that money until December. But at least I'll be starting December with $3,000 because that's what I'm going to get. I got the leader and the follower. Both accounts are the same. And that'll be $9,000 from these 2 accounts total. It'll be the 3rd payout from these 2 accounts. Now the trick will be, can I take them to a 4th payout? That's something I've never done. Although up until Friday, taking any account that requires multiple days for a payout, between payouts, I've never done 3 payouts from the same account until Friday, which I did with the Lucid account, which is no longer with us. A moment of silence for that Lucid account. A moment of silence for the Lucid account. All right, anyway. Mob Barley, what up? Let me see something with crypto. I'm in a trade right now. I'm in the Solana long in Mexi. $55 with some, how much leverage is it? 13x leverage. Anyway. Tick Daddy, what up? Benjamin. You entered in long. What should you do? What's your entry? Full tilt, what up? Where'd you get in at, bro? John Q. Jay Jackson. Whoo! It's just Mexi. It's just Mexi. Hey, if you guys want to join, if you want to grab an account at the Mexi exchange, hold on a sec. I'm gonna get my link. I'm gonna get my link. You don't have to put in a code or anything, but this is my link, my referral link for Mexi. Just know that you got to use a VPN to create your account with Mexi if you're not in the US. That's what she said. 24,915. Bro, you're up fucking 35 points, 45 points. Lock it, move. Hey, are you trailing it at least? You're up good, bro. Flex, yes. That's the fuck them traders exchange. That's not a prop firm. That's a fucking real. That's a crypto exchange. But here's my link. If you wanted to fucking grab an account, you got to use a VPN if you're not in the States. I mean, if you're in the States, you need a VPN like IPVanish. Flexi Trade Exchange. Jay Jackson. Whoo. Yeah, yo, Benjamin, bro, you're up. You said you're in at 9:15. You're up pretty good right now, bro. You're up 40 points. You were up. I don't know when you got in. What'd you say you got in at? 12:41 Eastern? Bro. Well, fuck. You were up. You were up almost 80 points. Is it a trailing drawdown account? Is it an intraday trailing? Oh, 4 hours ago. Oh my God. What kind of trailing is it, bro? I haven't been in one of those trades in a while. One of those like long ass fucking trades. Oh my God. I'm jealous. Oh, Take Profit Trader Pro account? Is the drawdown working against you? Like, are you over the buffer? I gotta take this. Hold on. Hey, what's going on? Good. How's everything? Yeah. All right. And then do you know if they put any coats on the fucking cabinets on the kitchen? Yeah. Well, yeah. Well, I guess. I'm running it. It's crunch time over here. All right. So I gotta, yeah. See, I'm glad I didn't confirm that delivery because I gotta now I gotta call them and reschedule it again. Yeah. Well, it depends on how many coats he put on there. You know what I mean? If he put any on there, that's the thing. Yeah. Say a prayer. Because you were slowing them down or whatever. Yeah. Maybe it'd be better. Maybe it'd be better to put the carpet on the stairs after we move in. But I don't know. Yeah. Yeah. The sooner the better. But yeah. Yeah. All right. Well, hopefully, maybe before us. I mean, we want to start bringing stuff over, on Thanksgiving or sooner. All right. Thanks for the heads up, man. All right. Bye.
What do you say?
They're still painting the master. Sorry, guys.
Do they do the cabinets?
Probably not. I don't know. We'll have to go there later and see.
Did Aaron say if they're still blue?
He said he didn't look, but he said he wanted to go into the bathroom to work on the faucets and the whole bedroom was fully masked, so he didn't. So he left. So now I got to call. Now I got to call RC Willie again and push back the delivery on the appliances.
They might not let you.
Yeah, that's another problem.
So the house isn't getting clean tomorrow.
Nope.
So the house isn't getting clean at all then.
House is gonna get clean, but Rob's fucking us.
Well, I'll tell you what, he spends a lot of time on Instagram.
Yeah. Well,
Why is he, because I checked to see. He was active 18 minutes ago. He was active an hour ago. He should be. And then he doesn't even update you. He said.
he didn't update. He's not updating us because he knows he's way fucking behind. That's why.
He said that the only thing that he would have to do today is put the cabinets back up.
Yeah. Yeah. Everybody says a lot of
He said
shit.
they have to sit overnight. So even.
Did he even put a coat on? I have no fucking idea. Fun times.
You can't do the carpet after you live there. That's just logistically impossible.
Anyway. Oh. Benjamin, regarding your account. I mean, it might go up more. I don't know. Sorry for the interruption, guys. But got to deal with real life shit too. And I had to take that call. Canute, really? Isn't that what Project SlipX has built into it? Just ain't right. Wow. I really wanted to get filled down here. It bounced almost at the 707. Vincenzo, what up? Fuck me, man. Yo, there you go, Benjamin. You gonna lock in gains around here?
Sorry. Also, we can't change the living spaces delivery, or we're gonna have to pay a fee.
How much?
I don't know. You might not even be able to change the RC building.
Fucking over this shit. People do it all the time. People do that shit all the time. It's usually, I don't want to say, I don't know. I don't do it. I don't even do it on evals. The only time I'll do it on an eval is in the same firm, and if it's like for earnings or some crazy fucking, and I barely ever do it. Like if I was doing it, you would see that this would be, I would have passed half of them, right? If I did that shit. I don't do it. The fucking the hedging. I mean, you still have time, Benjamin. I just don't know if it's going to die off on you. John Q. Yeah, bro. I already suffered today. I lost my Lucid account. That account was great. I took 4,600 with that account. Fucking A, man. Why can't shit just go the way it's supposed to go? It's always fucking something. John Q. Just grabbing some evals to scratch the itch. Maybe Apex will extend their deal. What is it? It's ending 7 out for 80% off and $40 lifetime activation fee ending in 8 hours. However, the last time their sale ended on stuff like this, the activation fee deal was still in place. So I don't know if that's going to be the case for this one. Maybe this guy playing the guitar singing Kumbaya could let us know. Yeah, this shit is fucking, it kind of looks like it's flagging. Let's look at gold on a bigger time frame. Now that this fucking fib failed, right? Now I got to expand it to the next high, which is right around here. Coach Fred, what up? I was hoping gold would do something a little more cooler than nothing. A lot of times gold will move around in the last hour. Guess I'm not touching these accounts. I mean, this one's already up $800, 838 after day one, which was on Friday. So there's no point in forcing shit. Lucky duck. Okay. You know what you need to do? Oh my God. Never fucking ends. Never fucking ends. Anyway. Gold's breaking up. I'll be right back. I gotta pee. Sorry, guys. Keep an eye on this shit. Maybe we get a fucking flash drop and I get filled. Ugh, I guess I'm not gonna get filled on this order. Still cucking around over here. Florencia, Monica. No, I don't have funded accounts yet with Take Profit Trader. These are my Take Profit Trader accounts. I don't know what day. I don't know what you're talking about. What day you're talking about and whatnot. These are what this is what I'm working with. I'm on day 4 on the flip on the accounts that I need to flip, and I'm on day 2 on this account that I pushed over. So now I got to get days 3, 4, and 5 on this one, and day 5 on these 4. Jose Carlos, what up? Hey, you know what? That's not the worst thing in the world. Guess what? You didn't lose money. Jack Boom. Yeah, Renee, I'm aware. They also have a self-inflicted dynamic buffer now after your first payout. But yeah, I mean, you know, people are liking it. Not going to make me run and beg for my one fucking Focus Trader Program account. I'm good. I'm good on that. Fuck yeah, Jack Boom. I love it, man. Good shit. Keep it going. Just be real patient. Wait for a good, wait for great opportunities. What up, Neil? Great day I saw by you. Love to see it. I always look for your shit when I wake up just to see how you did. And I'm never disappointed. Are you? Crazy. I don't blame you. Why not? May as well run up some accounts with them too. Vinny Lee. Can I just wait out the Focus Trader? No, I got to trade for 6 months with one account. I'm good. I'm not fucking with a firm that tells me how to spend my own fucking money. And they just stopped inviting me back after having me on seemingly every fucking week for like 3 months with no explanation, no nothing. I didn't reach out and ask them why. I just said, fuck it. I'm good. Probably out-traded 90% of the guests they've had on there while I was on there. Yeah, just ain't right. Last year was a better promotion by them. I hope they fucking see that it's not that good. The only way they're gonna know how good it is or not is how many sales they do. And hopefully they'll sweeten the pot. Subi guy, what up? No, she's not. No, she's not. Yeah, Neil. The other thing you're gonna have to worry about is like if you run up an account and get that first payout, you have to be over wherever your balance is at when that, you got to start all over again. I don't know. It's weird. It's like a self-inflicted buffer. Scalpster, what up? Well, I didn't get the money yet. But they approved my payout. I mean, the weekend came and went. I requested on Friday after the market closed, and I woke up this morning and I was approved. Pretty quick turnaround. PK, what up? Yeah. I'm with you, bro. Marcos, what up? Look, I'm not saying they're a bad firm. I'm just not fucking with them. I have my reasons. That's right, Neil. Another 5-figure. Oh, look at gold. Another 5-figure fucking month. Oh my God. I told you gold was going to do something before the market, before the day ended. It just fucking popped 60 fucking ticks, breaking out of the cuck zone. Out of nowhere. That's funny. That's the right spot, I think. Actually, fuck. I gotta remove all this shit. There we go. That makes more sense. That makes more sense. Look at this shit go. It's fucking pumping. What happened? Anything? Just gold just felt like pumping towards the end of the day? Catboy. We rich yet? Thanks, Jay. Hashtag thanks, Jay. Just close your eyes and ride the fucking wave, I guess. That shit just fucking 318 to 382. 64 ticks. What is it? It come back down to the chop zone, the cuck zone? Oh, I'm so annoyed. Mm. You think we're going to come back down? What a boring fucking after hour. Might as well cancel that because that ain't happening. That ain't happening. Yeah, they don't want you to. I wonder if they, I wonder, that's not 40% off anymore. Just ain't right. What up, Drifter? How much are fees per trade? Florencia. Yo, thank you. I appreciate it. Yeah, where you been, Drifter? Hanging out with other streamers? I wonder, just ain't right. I wonder if that applies to evals as well. I mean, I don't do that shit, so I don't even care. Took a break. I feel you. I feel you. Yeah, Corey, I don't know, man. I like trading during the overnight. Yeah, I trade. It's like catching falling knives in reverse. See, look, this is why I just feel like gold just wants to keep pumping. Thank you so much, Florencia. Really appreciate it. Let me see. I don't even know. Let's see if I can find it. Lucid fees. I don't know if they're going to put it in here. I don't know. I mean, I'm not really sure. It's probably similar to everything else. You know what I mean? I don't know the exact. It doesn't say. Yo, Nicolaus, what another person who took a break and came back. At least you came back. Good to see you as well. Better taking a break overall than hanging out with other streamers. $7.40 per trade. I'm not fucking leaving. Was it is that does it matter what the instrument is? I never pay attention to that shit. Let's see. Let's see if I could hold on. Let's look at this piece of shit account. I took 7 trades, 14 contracts. I paid $32.20 in fees. Trading fees. 14 contracts. So about 32.20 divided by 14. $2.30 per round trip. Is that no? $4.60 per round trip, I'd say, right? Does that make sense? 7 trades, 14 contracts. But this was with gold. I don't know if it's different for the NQ. I did that with gold. On Project SlipX, it's $7.40. Fuck that. That's crazy. That's crazy. Oh, just ain't right. That only mentioned Pro and Pro Plus. Yeah. I mean, that goes without saying, doesn't it? I guess they're just adding something that makes it automated so they don't have to look for it. Interesting. Jose Carlos. Interesting. Nice, Drifter. I like Lucid a lot. They pay, bro, especially if you're in the States, you'll literally get your money within a minute or two. They pay like instant, almost as instant as you could get. Oh, I appreciate it, Drifter. Thank you. Thanks for using the best code ZERODAYJAY. Damn, that's 30 ticks. This is 30 ticks. Do we drop lower? I don't know. I'm scared. Am I gonna do some fucking degen shit I'm gonna regret? Probably. We'll see. Let's see if it drops lower. Maybe I should just get a flip day in. Maybe that's what I'll do. I'll get a flip day in. I'll work in reverse. I mean, I guess it's better than nothing. What's gold doing? Oh shit, it's dropping lower. See, I feel like I could have gotten more than just a flip day in. I don't know. Whatever. What the fuck just happened? Where are my orders? Oh, never mind. Wrong instrument. That's how little I trade fucking micros. Hit that shit, motherfucker. Hit it. Oh shit. I'm up $1. Day one, baby. Give it to me. Give it to me. Oh no. Hit that shit. Oh, so close. Oh. Look at that. I got fucking bottom tick during this time too. Unbelievable. Couldn't fucking hit my take profit. Look at this shit. Look how close it was. How many ticks away? 2 ticks. Get the fuck down there. Oh! Yeah, baby. Day one in the books. We did it, Joe. That was the most excitement all fucking stream. Oh my God. What up, Punisher? Oh, now it's dumping, bro. I could have had $1 million. I could have had $1 million. Oh, fuck. Look at that gold. Look at gold drop. Where was the order? 349? Bro, it just went down 30 fucking ticks. Oh, I could have had $300. Whatever. Whatever. I did say it looks like it wants to go down more, but I didn't trust it. So I decided to just fucking flip. Look at that shit. This one could wait. Oh, I could get a flip day on this one too. Do I have time? I do have time. Let's get rid of fib these nuts. Let's get a flip day in over here. Let's get a flip day in. Uh-oh. 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Hit it. Hit it. Hurry up before the fucking whatever. I don't care if I lose money on this. It's just a flip day. But I would like to fucking win because it's always better to win. There we go. Yo, 46 cents after fees, motherfucker. Boom. Flip days locked. Day 2. Day 1. Yo, Tory Trade's husband. Yo, you see that guy? Hey, take notes. Don't fade me. Don't fade me. What did gold do, though? I'm just curious. Yo, this shit went down. Oh, my God. That was the fucking play. Could have got, like, real gains there. Don't fade me. Yeah. Don't turn into a pumpkin, guys. Clear out your... Hey, if you're trading and take profit trader, exit your trade right now. Right now. Yo, stick around, Benjamin. I'm going to give away an account. Courtesy of Florencia. Pick a number between 1 and 73. One number, one time. We're going to do it real quick. 1 and 73. Tory Trade's eyebrows. 1 and 73. One number, one time. We're going to give away, I don't even know. Maybe an Apex account. Something. If you guys have the same number, if you run into that, you both win. Like if 2 or 3 people have it, you all win. Yeah, we'll do. You guys will have a choice of a 25K take profit trader, a 50K intraday trade day, or a 50K Apex. That's what we're gonna do. All right, all right. Drifter picked 40 because you're 40. Got it, bro. 40's the new 30. Tory Trace tan line's gonna let other people win this time. Thanks. Everybody thank Tory Trace tan lines. Do it for the stream. What up, Digital Nukes? AB Piano. Got a bunch of people. I feel like some of you guys are hanging out with other streamers. Not all of you, obviously. Yo, 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 yo. Who's the last one? All right. Couple more minutes. Oh, my God. Couple more minutes. She has never passed an Apex eval in her life, and she's an Apex affiliate. Funny how that works. Does she even trade with prop firms? Builds it. You guys almost ready? Couple more, one more minute, and then we're gonna do this. Can't believe I fucking missed out on that. Whatever. I got a flip day in. So these all count as a day, but that's not what I had in mind. But it's better than nothing. Better than letting the day go by and not getting anything with funded accounts. Who got the last number? Let's see. All right. All right, I'm about to cut it off. LeBron's chilling. Three, two, one. Good luck. 23. 23. Who got 23? Anybody? David Schneider. There's one. Congratulations to David Schneider. Who else? Anybody else? Ramen Trader. Is that your only number? Let's just double check. Oh, hey, there we go. David Schneider. And Ramen Trader. All right, guys. All right, so here's what you guys need to do. David Schneider knows because he's won before. You got to join the Discord, the best fucking community. And if you didn't win, you should join anyway because it's the best fucking community in the world. According to the Prop from Streets, of course. And then grab an account. You have your choice of a 50K Apex, a 25K Take Profit Trader, a 50K intraday trade day, or a 50K Lucid. Your choice. When you grab the account, please use the best code ZERODAYJAY to help me out a little bit. And thank Florencia for hitting the super chat. They sponsored some of it. Their generous super chat sponsored some of it. I like to give back when people hit the super chat. I don't keep that money. And then send me a DM. Send me a DM with proof of payment, like some sort of receipt, email, anything, confirmation, and then your Zelle, Cash App, or PayPal, and we'll get squared up. Okay. All right, guys. Here's the link to the Discord. Hold on, I gotta grab the Discord link. I didn't do it yet. Should join and hang out in there regardless. All right, chat. Thanks, chat. Oh, Andy, you just missed it, bro. You just missed it. Anyway, it's free for now. Anyway, I got to bounce. I got to fucking deal with a bunch of bullshit that I don't want to fucking deal with, but that's life, right? Anyway, congratulations to David Schneider and Ramen Trader. Hit me up. You don't have to do it right this second. You could do it, you know, if it takes you a week or two, whatever. Just hit me up. All right. I'll talk to you soon. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys. Thanks again for hanging out. Smash the like button on your way out. Subscribe to the channel, all that good shit. I'll be streaming every single day for Power Hour. This week, well, Thursday, the market closes at 1 p.m., so I'll stream going into the close on Thursday and Friday, on Thanksgiving and the Friday after Thanksgiving. But Tuesday and Wednesday are full days. I'll be streaming for Power Hour and probably other times as well. All right. I'll talk to you guys soon. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks again.